Stays hot or cold. Thermos vacuum insulation technology retains temperature of hot or cold meals. Send them to school with their favorite soup or cold snack. This food jar keeps contents hot for up to 5 hours and cold for up to 7 hours. Durable for daily use. High-quality 18/8 stainless steel construction is built to handle drops, dings and assorted roughhousing. Kid-friendly design. Lightweight and compact with a push-button lid so it's easy to carry and open. The wide mouth is easy to fill, eat from and clean. You can pop your Funtainer food jar in the dishwasher, though washing by hand is recommended. Spoon included. No need to pack a separate spoon. This food jar has one that conveniently folds for storing inside of the lid. Protect what you love. This ThermosKids gear is made with durable, dishwasher-safe materials meant to keep lunch and drinks how they like them. The lunchtime puzzle is officially solved. The 10 ounces Funtainer food jar from Thermos brand is vacuum insulated to keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold, and since it's designed for kids it's also colorful and fun. Send them to school with their favorite soup so they can enjoy it fresh and hot at lunchtime. If they're in the mood for a cold snack, pack it up with yogurt and berries or apples and peanut butter. The Funtainer food jar is lightweight and compact with a push-button lid so it's easy to carry and open. To clean, you can pop your Funtainer food jar in the dishwasher, however washing by hand is recommended. Spoon included. Top reviews from the United States. Have twins, bought 2. I thought these would be too small. They are perfect for my 14-yo twins girls. A little over 1 cup. Soup with Texas toast or cracker, bread and butter, whatever. And they go with fruit, pudding etc. I pack the night before. Soup is piping hot. But they say by lunch it's still warm. We love them. They really like soup too. It's a win-win. Prices were good and they arrived in no time. I can recommend.